Okay, guys. So this is a 2D vector problem. This is a type, usually the type of the multiple choice problem that is going to put on the exam. So it says if theta equals 60 degree, theta equals 60 degree, and f equal to 450, the magnitude of the resultant force will be closest to. Okay, we have to find the magnitude of the resultant force. So straight from the figure, we know that this is going to be a parallelogram law problem, and we know that the magnet. We know that Fr, which is a resultant force, is going to be between the 700 Newton and 450 Newton force. So it's going to be between them. It's probably going to be somewhere right here. All right. And then we can draw our parallel forces. So for this one, it will be parallel to like that. For this one, it will be parallel like that. And guys, I know my drawing is not perfect, but I just want you guys to know this concept. Okay, so if this is 60 degree right here, then from geometry, I know that this has to be 60 degree too. And if this is 15 degree right here, then I know that this has to be 15 degree too. And then we can assume that this will be 90 degree, perfect 90 degree. And I know that this whole x-axis is 180 degree, okay? So I'm missing this part right here. Let's call this part alpha, okay? So to find this, I know that I simply just take 180 minus 90 minus 60, and then yeah, minus alpha 0. Okay. And what I got is a 180 minus 90 minus. Okay. I got my alpha equals to 30 degree. Okay. So this will be 30 degree. Okay. Okay. So if this is 30 degree, then 1 second. Let me draw this triangle all for you guys to see it clearly. Okay. So this is 30 degree right here. Then this point right here, it will not just be 15 degree because there's 15 degrees just this right here. But we're trying to find this one right here. It'll be 15 plus 30, so it'll be 45 degree right here. And 180 minus 45 minus 30. Then I can find my third missing angle, which is 105. Okay, and this one is 700 Newton, right? And then this one is 450 Newton, right? And this is my FR. And what I can do at this point, well, to find FR, I know that I have a two side is given, and I know all of the angle between them. Then I can use a law of cosine. Okay, so a law of cosine would be 450 squared plus 700 squared minus 2 multiplied by 450 multiplied by 700. And then cosine of the angle between them. So between 450 and 700 is this 45 degree angle, right? Cosine of 45. And if I put in the calculator, I got my final answer. C, which is FR, I got it 497 newtons. Okay. All right, guys. So for parallelogram law, guys, I just have to know how to find all these angles, and everything will be easy. Okay, this is problem number 3. And then let's move on to problem number 4. It's also a 2D vector problem, okay, and also a parallelogram problem. It says the vertical force F equal to 500 newtons acting downward at A on two-membered frame. Determine the magnitude of the two component of F directly along the axes of AB and AC. Okay, so it asks us to find these two force vector FAB and FAC. Okay, you know what? For this one, actually, I can draw it all. I can draw this all. So this is FAB. This is FAC. This is my F equals to 500 newtons. Okay, and then I know that this angle right here, I know that this angle is 45 right here, then which means that right here is also going to be 45. So right here, 45. And then I know this angle is 30 right here. Then I know that this angle right here is also 30 degrees, right? Okay, so right here will be 30 degrees. Okay, and then I think we have enough to construct our triangle. Yes, okay, so I'm gonna pick this triangle to solve. Okay, it doesn't matter where the arrow is, okay. And then I know this is 45. It's given to us. Okay. And this is 45. And let me see. Did I miss anything? Hold on, guys. Okay, I see. So this is 30 degree right here, this one. And then I know that this will be 90 degree. And then this will be 45 degree because they have to add out to become a 180 degree. Okay, so this one right here is just simply 45 plus 30. So this will be 75 degree. Okay. Then this 30. And then we look at this second triangle right here, this one right here. Yeah. So if this is 30 degree and this is also going to be 90 degree, and then the missing part has to be 60 degree because they have to add up together to become a 180 degree. Go. Okay. So there will be 60 degree. Okay, yeah, it makes sense. All right. Actually, my arrow is wrong for this one. It should be going downward. F is 500 newtons. And then there's a FAB, FAC. Okay, guys. So we have all the angles, and we have one side. One side is known. So which law are we going to use to find FAB and FAC? Are we going to use law of sine or law of cosine? Well, obviously we're going to use law of sine, right? Because we only have one side known. For law of cosine to be valid, we have to have at least two sides known. Okay, so for law of sine, FAB over its opposite angle, which is 60 degrees, so sine 60, and then equal to 500 over its opposite angle, which is 75 degrees, so sine 75. Okay, and then we solve for FAB. I got 448.29 Newton. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing for FAC. FAC over its opposite angle, which is sine 45, equal to 500 over sine 75. Then FAC equal to 366.02 newtons. Okay, so this is the answer to this problem.